身處耀目都會中心，兼賞央翠庭園，何文田京罕大型府邸浩田。浩田專處九龍市中心何文田傳統豪宅地段，賞滿目璀璨。未來何文田港鐵站迅步即至，兩線交匯，瞬間縱橫。毗鄰千億基建，交織驕人萬丈。浩田坐落學風蔚然嘅頂尖名校區，造就孩子亮麗前景。配套完善，匯聚生活亮點，隨時投入都會時尚，隨心感受文藝氣息，或動或靜。浩田坐擁都會繁華，建築師更巧妙咁將大自然嘅曼妙風華融入其中。
項目嘅地點咧係非常之優越嘅，所以一開始嘅時候咧，我哋嘅規劃已經係用咗都市庭園呢個概念嚟到去做我哋嘅設計。我哋嘅任務只不過係盡量發揮項目本身位處都會核心同埋背靠綠丘嘅優勢。我哋借用咗中國園林建築裏邊嘅借景技巧，騰出多啲嘅中央綠化空間。成個項目嘅主入口呢個 picture window 咧，其實係最能夠表達到我哋個建築概念。意境上面咧，等於係聯繫咗城市同埋自然。所有嘅住戶咧，將來喺城市裏邊翻到屋企嘅第一步咧，就可以通過呢個 picture window 咧，感受到後面嗰個自然嘅存在。其實就等於從呢個繁囂嘅都市裏邊翻到去大自然一樣。我哋嘅設計咧係非常之注重自然嘅採光同埋自然嘅通風嘅，希望可以做到所有嘅住客，無論喺屋企或者係會所或者係成個屋苑嘅任何一個環境咧，都可以感受得到呢個大自然。
環境設計嘅責任係要昇華都市庭園呢個概念。浩田呢個市中心項目係擁有超過30%嘅綠化面積，係實屬難得嘅。我哋以地段鮮天翠綠嘅山丘作為舞台嘅背景，然後加入瀑布流水、原生巨木、繽紛花卉等豐富元素，營造出層次分明、四季變幻嘅景象。當中再配置城中少有嘅戶外泳池、室內泳池同兒童嬉水池，令呢度成為一個充滿姿彩同生氣嘅休閒天地，深化呢度嘅綠色生態。為咗進一步鼓勵住客到戶外舒展身心，我哋亦喺緩跑徑種咗大量香港原生樹，等住客彷如置身郊外，盡情享受有氧生活。
Manton Heights has a picturesque backdrop of beautiful greenery, so whenever we had the opportunity to highlight the landscape, we muted the interiors to draw the focus to the exterior. This allows us to create a fluid relationship between the interior and the lush environment. We have proposed natural materials such as natural stone and timber with earth tones to enhance the feeling of respite and serenity within the space. The uniqueness or the true success of Urban Oasis is creating the balance between style, luxury, art, nature, everything we draw inspiration from. We drew inspiration from textures, shapes, and colors that we found in nature and implemented them into a functional and feasible design, such as the leaf-inspired Barisal ceiling, which acts as the centerpiece for the clubhouse. Manton Heights is a tastefully designed residential project which provides a sanctuary and contrast from the dense urban landscape.
繁華、自然、完美相融，難得共賞。嘉里建設匠心呈獻，何文田經罕機遇，浩田。